Hey, chup! Chup!
Only a very good point, sir. Very good point.
Kichu janena, bagor, chup!
Manya Sir, please.
For the first time when the bill was introduced, some very obnoxious campaign was going on all over India, including my state, West Bengal. I want to know from the persons, the political leaders who were campaigning in a very obnoxious way. Kindly show, sir, to this house any one provision, one line or one word where it has been stated that the Muslims' property would be taken away. Where it is written in the bill? Kindly tell them to show only one line. There is no such thing in the bill, and the campaign will continue. Such false campaign will continue even after passing of the bill today. That is why this will always remain a question whether there is any such word, at least including the punctuation mark, which shows that the properties of the Muslim will be taken away or the Muslim community would be taken away. My next point is that waqf by user. While doing so, I'll go to the definition of waqf as was given in the 1995 Act, which says that waqf means the permanent dedication by any person of any movable or immovable property for any purpose recognized by the Muslim law as pious, religious or charitable, and includes a waqf by user, but such waqf shall not cease to be a waqf by reason only of the user having ceased, etc. What is the dedication? What is the dedication of a property and by the person waqif as to certain land or property for using by the Muslims as user, and that would be treated as waqf property? The definition of waqf shows permanent dedication, but the inclusion under Subrule 1, there is no whisper as to the dedication, let alone permanent dedication. No such thing is there. So how a property which is being used by some community can be waqf property? Maximum that can be a property which is being used. In the land record, it is stated that user, ব্যবহারকারী. Hey, chup!
Only a very good point, sir.
Kichu janena, bagor, chup!
Manya Sir, please address
So, when the definition of waqf does not say anything about does specifically say about permanent dedication, and the next subsection says nothing about the permanent dedication, we should keep in our mind that as a river cannot rise above its source, the next section cannot go above the definition as has been given as permanent dedication. There is no such thing. I know that this malafide campaign will go and will continue against BJP and against the Union of India, who is passing the bill today. That is why I am asking again this question through you, sir, to the leaders of the opposition, where it is. How an user can be marked as a user property can be marked as waqf when there is no dedication, again I repeat, let alone permanent dedication. Next, sir, I'll come to one provision of this act. I'll request all the persons, all the respected persons, erudite scholars on Waqf Act to see section 109 and 110 of 1995 Act. Kindly show me a single sentence where it is written that the amount to be collected from Waqf would be spent for the widows, Muslim children and orphans. Would they show? They will shout for 12 hours. But it is not possible for them to show that in section 109 and 110 in 1995 Act it was there. But, one sentence, sir, but kindly see section 42, subsection 2, clause A. Here it is categorically written by Narendra Modi government that it will be used, the amount will be used for the widows, for the poor and